कुछ भी बोलते हैं।
बता कितने कत्ल किए तूने, कितनों को मारा, कितना मजा आया। You know, these are the first lines of this movie.
मेरा नाम उदय शेट्टी है। पिछले 6 सालों में मैंने इतने लोगों को जान से मारा है कि गिनती भी याद नहीं।
I'm sure you must have understood actually what I'm talking about with these guns all over. This movie is the latest movie which I've seen. It's released on Z5. It was not allowed to release for 4 years. Such a brilliant movie directed by Anurag Kashyap, one of my favorite directors, Anurag Kashyap. This movie is called Kennedy. This movie is so fantastic. I was totally stuck to my seat. I mean, I was sitting at my home and I couldn't get up. It was such a brilliant movie. It was stuck in the censors or whatever. There's no vulgar scenes. There are no such bad words. There's no such, nothing was there. But still, the movie was stuck but now it's released after all. I mean, Anurag Kashyap has recently, he made, I don't know whether you all have seen this. He's made a movie called Nishanti. It was released in 2 parts and one part released in the cinema. The second part was not even allowed to release. No one even bought for the cinema. So he had to release again on OTT. So both the parts the movie was very nice. It was not a bad movie. Such movies don't get audience, they don't get money, they don't get anything. But Anurag Kashyap actually is a brilliant director. He's a nice director. Because there's no interference on him. He's a person who जो उसको चाहिए ना वो करता है. And that's the best part. मैं विशाल भारद्वाज के लिए भी ये बोलता हूँ कि उसको इंटरफेयर नहीं करो. उसको समझाओ मत क्या करना है क्या नहीं करना है, ये उसको छोड़ दो. और वो लोग देखो क्या अच्छी पिक्चर बनाते हैं. You see this Kennedy movie. Trust me, watch this movie Kennedy. It looks like an English movie Kennedy, but no. It's about this guy. He's a cab driver. He's a normal cab driver, but he's got a very dark past. He was a police officer, but then what happens to him in his life? Why he becomes an assassin now? He's an assassin. He's used by the government. That is a period of COVID. This movie was shot during the period of COVID, and the period is about that COVID period where the government. I will not disclose anything, but you should see because there are some real life incidents which you have to notice. If you watch the movie very closely, you will notice some real life incidents which Anurag Kashyap has brought, and it'll shake you up. If you notice that he's such a brilliant director that Sunny Leone is there in the movie and she has done a fantastic job, performance job, acting job, and she is superb. Imagine Anurag Kashyap can do such a wonderful thing. Rahul Bhatt is the hero. He is Kennedy and he's such a fantastic. Last which I saw him in Crime Beat, he was in web series Crime Beat. He was also in Black Warrant. I've seen him in some movies also. Ugly movie he was there. He was in some movies and he's a very underrated actor. He's a fantastic actor, trust me. He is a fantastic actor. He should get more roles. He should get better roles. But this is our Bollywood. You know what? Here you need to lick ass. You need to go for these big parties and you need to have power. You need to be in camps like Karan Johar camp or Chopra camp or this camp, and then you get movies. Otherwise, such a fantastic talent and no one uses him. Imagine.
Yes, Shakti! बोल काले.
If you see this movie, you'll understand. It's amazing. The movie is amazing. The killings are very brutal, very, very gruesome, very gritty. But the storyline goes on. It's gripping till the end. It's amazing. And you should watch it. My recommendation is definitely there. Everyone to watch this movie. It is on Z5. It's free of charge. And you can, whenever you're free at home in the night, take some food, make some popcorn at home and watch this movie. It's called Kennedy, directed by Anurag Kashyap. It's a fantastic movie. Definitely a must watch. Thank you so much.
कुछ भी बोलते हैं।